Hello and welcome to my Carpool app. Today we have a Carpool app which basically is a ride-sharing app. So it's similar to platforms like Grab and Uber, but just that actually there isn't really like a company behind this, but just you know the general public members just either offering to help others drive or joining in on these trips. So first of all, we have a login page. So users have to give a username and the password because this data will actually be stored in the JSON file. So let's just give any username and any password. Um, they can give any username and password because I don't really have a sign up sheet, as you can see, and it doesn't really like cross check if they've already signed up. Yeah, so they can actually give any username and password. So let's log in. And over here, as you can see, this is the main page of my app, which is basically all the trips. And over here, users can either choose to join the trip or choose to drive others. The trip ID is what differentiates each trip, and you can see the vacancies, and then the starting place, the destination, and the meeting time. So let's say maybe on this date, I actually want to go from Jurong West to the Twin Towers in Kuala Lumpur. So currently the vacancy is 2, and I'll just click on trip ID 1, and as you can see, it's confirmed. My trip is confirmed. So now let's just go back to see to double confirm if actually this has been updated. So let's log in again. Yep, as you can see, the vacancy was used to be 2, but now since you have joined, it's 1. And actually, if I join once more, it will be 0, and actually this field will be removed from removed from this table because you just can't join anymore. Alright, so now let's see. Let's say maybe actually I want to drive instead of joining a trip. So here you can people who offer the drive can put their starting location, the destination, and their time they want to start their journey. Right. So and I also integrated the Google Maps API, making it even easier, and also they can input their locations more accurately. So let's say I want to go from Raffles Institution to, let's say, Bishan MRT. Right, and I want to go tomorrow sometime. Or confirm. Yep, as you can see here, my trip has been updated to the list. So as a new trip ID at number 4, this is my the destination and the starting place and the time. So now let's just go back to the list of trips, and let's just check if actually it has been updated there. And yep, as you can see, trip ID 4, this is what you indicated just now, and now users can choose to join in on this trip. So now let's see what happens if actually users type in the wrong domain. So maybe if they give list trips the extra S or something, then they'll be basically led to this page, the error 404, and if they click on the page, they'll be led back to the login page. Thank you for seeing my app.